Good everyone, and welcome to Elias Alliance's channel. For the course of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my phone because I don't think the app I'm going to be using, I don't think it has a web version or a desktop version. So I'm going to be showing you how to get a branded picture for yourself, an AI branded picture for yourself. So it's all for free. So this is my phone, and this is some of the pictures I've generated for myself. So that's some of the pictures I've generated for myself. There are more. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So see, you can see. So there's some of the pictures I've generated for some people, and some of the pictures. For the course of this tutorial, the app we are going to be working on today is called Remini. Probably most of you know about Remini already, but there are some features of Remini you have to pay to be able to access. But I'm going to be showing you a way whereby you can get it for free. If only you stick to the end of this video. Stick to the end of this tutorial for you to be able to understand fully, and make sure you watch and don't skip a part of it. So I have two works here. I have two pictures here I'm going to be working on today. So let's head straight to Remini. Okay, this is Remini. Good. So as you can see, this is Remini. This is my screen. Now come down here. You see this is enhance. This is AI photo, and this is AI avatar. Now with Remini enhance, you'll be able to probably snap a picture with your phone, and your phone isn't bright or not sharp enough. You want your pictures to be HD format, like iPhone or stuff. Can come here and use Remini to increase the resolution of a picture and make it very sharp and beautiful, even videos, as you can see up here. But for today's tutorial, we're not going to be focusing on that. We're going to be majoring on AI photos. Now let me go here. Okay, let's just, I already have a picture that is modeled here. So all I need to do is just to touch the model I just want, and it will generate itself. Touch the model I want. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me say I pick this, use this model. I'll have to wait for 210 seconds as the case may be. It's very slow, but let's wait. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Elias Alliance is a youth/teenager empowerment program, whereby what we do is empowering young ones. If you are old, we can also empower you. Nobody's above empowerment, so we empower you with 20 digital high income skills, ranging from copywriting, affiliate marketing, AI Oracle, Amazon KDP, email marketing, virtual assistant stuff. There are so many skills. So after teaching you, if you're able to learn and master them, at the end of the day we'll teach you how to monetize it and make money for yourself as a student or whatever niche you are focused on. So if you haven't joined the program yet, please do. There will be a link provided at the description of this video. Please click on the link to opt into the program. It's free, totally free. No masterclass payment or hidden charges. It's totally free. We're going to be starting our lectures soon enough. We're already working towards it, so it's good that you are here with us to learn more. There are so many things you can use AI to do. So many things. There are so many ways you can use AI to make money online. Even this AI photo, just do it and post it on your status and post it whatever. Your friends will come looking for you, asking you to do for them. You can tell them to pay you 5,000 or 2,000 or 20,000, as the case may be, for you to be able to help them do it. So it's a bonus. A very big bonus. So there are so many things you can use AI to do. Let's not be ignorant of this, and let's take charge and take over this new revolution of AI and make money for ourselves. So come into Eliezer, we're going to teach you how you are going to make it possible. Okay, now it has loaded. Let's see. Let's see. Network is lagging. Okay, good. This is one. Now if I move it here, it deletes. If I move it here, it's save. So delete this. Delete this. This is good. Delete this. Wow, this is good. Also, so you can see, you can decide to generate more, choose another model to use. There are different models here. But in a case whereby you want to work, let's work on a new picture. All I have to do is go to this setting here, restrain AI model, and delete the first model. Now, when you open this Remini for the first time, it's going to ask you for this. So pick whatever gender you want. Now I told you I have someone which I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to choose female, continue, upload 8 selfies. That's where they'll be able to generate your face and your features, your looks and everything, and create a stunning design for you. So I was asked to pick 8. You can decide to add as much as you want. It's advantageous to you in a way. So I've picked the 8. This is for the first person, and continue. Now let me pick an AI model. I don't know why ladies are obsessed with this picture though. They probably want to get married. Let me see. Okay. Not this. Okay, let me try and use this and see what this picture gives me. Now to upload, working on it based on your network, and based on this is the first time. The first time is going to take up to 10 to sometimes 15 minutes, as the case may be, but subsequent times it's going to be taking less than 2 minutes to generate your pictures for you. So let's see what AI has for us. Don't worry, the first time takes longer, the next will take less than 1 minute. Let's see what AI has for us. It's loading. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, it has been helpful so far, I guess, right? So please just hit on the red subscription button. It's free. It's completely free. Put on your post notification bell on and drop a comment of what you think. If you want us to do something, if there's something you have doubts about, or something you want us to teach about, you can drop it on the comment section below. And don't forget to like, and you can probably share the videos to your friends. Let's wait for AI to do this. It's taking time. Let's not be weary. AI has a lot in stock for us. So let's see. And for you to be able to get a good picture, you need to provide like a good selfie of yourself, a very good selfie of yourself to AI. If not, most times they just produce nonsense for you. So it's better you snap good selfies, let your eyes be opened, just make it nice. That way when you upload up to 8, 10, 12 as the case may be, they will produce an exact replica of you and also a very nice picture of you. So for those who think probably they've tried and it's not working, that's the reason. That's just the reason. And please stay to the end of the video. I'm going to be showing you how to get this for free. Oh, it's taking long. Okay, we are here. Wow, this is nice, astonishing. I think I have to save this. Wow, saved. Oh my god, this is nice. Can I decide to generate more? Sorry. So this is a video. You can as well save the video, but I don't need it. So I can decide to generate more, or just pick another model. What model do you think I should pick? Okay, let me not bore you. Let's just go ahead to generate another person's one. So let's delete this model and choose a female. Here, upload. So you can see the surface, so you can see the resemblance is there. It's nice. AI is nice. Okay, done. I just love using this model. So let's wait for this one to load. Okay, we are here. Let's see what AI has for us. Oh my god, this is nice. So that's it. So you can decide to generate more or pick a new model, as the case may be. Anyone. Well, I'm done with that. So let me show you something, how you can get this for free. This AI avatar is also good, also very good, but that's not the reason why we're here today. So how do we get this for free? Now let's check the subscription info. Now you see, I subscribe to this. You will be billed to pay 1,570 a week, every week. Face beautifier, background enhance, color, no ads, stuff. But for this is the highest, and it's 4,950. That's roughly 5,000 every week. I guess we can't pay that, right? So they are currently doing something. It's called a 7 days free trial, and I think this is the second time I'm doing it. I did it the first time and I cancelled it, and this is the second time I'm doing this free trial. I think my next billing date is, let me check my next billing date. Okay, I can decide to unsubscribe immediately. I'm supposed to be billed on the 21st of August. Are you seeing it there? Next payments. I've been using it for free. I have 7 days free trial, so I'm going to cancel it. I think I did it yesterday. Yeah, so I've only used it for 2 days. I'm going to cancel it. I can come back register for a free trial. I found a better app. I don't cause related reasons. Continue. Cancel subscription. Subscription will be cancelled. As you can see, it's cancelled. So let's see. Yes, you see, it just sent me the message that it has been cancelled. Let me come back here and see something. Okay, you are generating something for me. Nice. So thanks. So I can decide to continue working on it until I'm tired. You guys see it now. So when you see they stop you from working on it, all you have to do is go back and resubscribe again. Just put your card and subscribe. Don't worry, they will just collect 51 naira from your account. 51 naira. I don't know, I would have shown you my account now, but that is what they will collect. 51 naira. They are going to return it back. It's called card payment service. So they are going to return it back, and they are going to bill you 7 days after you've created this app. 7 days after you've created this app. So before then, make sure you cancel the subscription. If not, the money is going to be removed from your account. So that's all for Remini. There's so much. There's so many apps that can do so many amazing things. You just have to understand it and learn to work with it. That's the only way you get to work well with them. So that's all for today. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll be attending to all questions on the comment section below. Please, if you want to join Eliezer, like I said earlier, check the description below and join Eliezer for free. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you. And that'll be all for today.